What's going on, YouTube? Today we got a special car. This is the Audi A7, and I'm gonna just run through the quick test on it real fast. Let me show you. Let me flip it over for you. I put the nice Audi button on the back to match. So let me go ahead and show you what happens when you press. Put the key in my pocket. All right, so we got lock. Great. Unlock. Actually, that was unlocked. Let's go lock. Perfect. Trunk works. Hold trunk. As you see, trunk works, and then the trunk actually has a button to let it down. All right, excellent. And the door handles also work too. We just tested that. And what year is this one? 2016 Audi A7 LCD Smart Key. You can hit me up at 678-400-9150. All right, gone. Looking good. Yeah. Appreciate that, man.
Mad respect.
Tesla. Tesla Roadster.